Ready to unlock a treasure trove of digital games on your Nintendo Switch using the Visa gift card? Let's dive in. First up, ensure your Visa gift card has enough funds to cover your desired game or content, plus any applicable taxes also. Many Visa gift cards require activation, so double-check that's been done. Now, on your Nintendo Switch, navigate to the home screen and select the Nintendo eShop icon. Give it a tap. Once the eShop loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and find your user profile icon. Select it. On the user information screen, scroll down until you see the Add Funds option. Select it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Choose Add Funds with a credit card. Even though it's a gift card, the system treats it the same way. Carefully enter your Visa gift card number, expiration date, and the CVV code located on the back of the card. Be sure to double-check everything for accuracy before moving on. Next, you'll select the amount you want to add to your Nintendo eShop account. Keep in mind that you might not be able to use the entire gift card balance at once. Depending on how much you need for your purchase, Nintendo will save your card info after you add the funds. Once the funds are added, browse the eShop and find that game you've been craving. You're now all set to make your purchase and start playing.